And if there's no crank sensor signal, the PCM is not going to what? Command spark, because it doesn't know that the engine is actually what? Turning. Okay. So again, these are quick, simple things that we can look at, guys, when a car comes in for these types of faults, for us to be able to determine where we're headed with our evaluation. Now, the next one would be a crank no start. Now, I always get this piece of advice when I talk about 5-gas. I'm not in an emission state. I don't give a shit. If you understand how to use a 5-gas analyzer, it's going to help you that much more when it comes for you to do any type of drivability diagnostics. When a car comes in with a crank no start, first thing I do is I put a probe in it, tailpipe, crank it. If I don't have any hydrocarbons, that means there's no fuel delivery. That's simple. Okay? Because if it's cranking and not starting because of spark, what should I see? Hydrocarbons. I'll say that again. If there's no spark, there's fuel. So that means I should see hydrocarbons on the 5-gas. Okay.